So I always say that small wins and big celebrations. So every time you create a win as a leader, you need to celebrate your team.
That's a good approach.
I feel that we don't celebrate enough. You know, we are so tied up to playing the good game and then just going to the next game very quickly. Let's just keep winning. You know, we forget to pause and celebrate our win and our team wins. And that's why I personally feel, you know, like when I'm building WLDA, my biggest thing is awards. You know, let's bring people in, let's give awards, but let's make sure people who are doing good job. It's even though we are women leaders in data and AI, we bring male allies in the group. We are 25% men in the group who are C-suite in Fortune 500 companies who come, and we celebrate them. We celebrate them because it's just not a woman's journey. It's a men and women have to come together to make sure we have parity on the table. We make sure that we have the right set of people, qualified people, because no woman wants to get a position if she's not qualified. So bringing qualified women and men together to make sure that there are enough women on the table. So we're building a world which is great for our kids. It's a wonderful world, which is at least we try to make sure it's a compassionate world. And then I say that celebrate the women leaders and male leaders who are actually working towards that, and celebrate small wins. And I would take that to a corporate America, and I'll say, if you're working on a project, think about how many times you're going to celebrate, you know, your small wins. Make sure make a big announcement about it. Talk about the successes of your teams and go out and publish it. You know, create a newsletter or throw a, you know, virtual coffee or pizza parties. You know, whatever it may be to announce what you guys are doing. Call yourself, brand your teams. You know, come up with a cool name and talk about your successes, right? And when you talk about your successes, business leaders will start listening, and they'll start saying, that business unit, you know, got a benefit out of this. We would like to do the same thing.